Hello everyone, Daniel here from the home of Random Productions 2.0 with an unboxing video. Yeah, it's an unboxing video. Today we have a Dewalt Bluetooth speaker. What's that model number? DCR010. I got it as a birthday gift. Thank you to S&L, those are acronyms, for the birthday gift. Conveniently goes with my Dewalt drill set that I got for Christmas from the same noted people. Thank you guys, appreciate that. So let's get right into it. I've never owned a power tool Bluetooth speaker set. That's kind of cool. Let's get this to zoom in on the table here. Alright, bring it back. So, what to expect when you open it? It says 12 volt, 20 volt, corded or cordless. Dewalt's very heavy duty. It's pretty much for the construction industry. So you can have music while you're doing renos. Let me get something to open this. Job site Bluetooth speaker. Tool only. Interesting. Alright. What do we got? What do we got? Power cable. Mains voltage, 120 volts. Well, that pack's quite a punch. Nothing else in the box. You get a manual. Nicely packaged. Alright, that's cool. Okay, so that's what the front looks like. Actually kind of cool. You got your power button, your volume, your skips and fast forwards, play pause, volume positive, volume negative, Bluetooth on. Nice heavy duty handle, 12 volt, 20 volt lithium ion on the side. And on this side, cool, aux, USB. It's wall mountable, that's cool. So that means you can put it in its spot. Where's the battery? Well, that being said, if you want it to be portable, you need to buy a battery. So I get it when people plan ahead of the future. So they got me the drill set, which is the matching battery to this unit. Very clever. So if you do get the Dewalt set, this Bluetooth speaker, you will need to be either buying the battery separately or hope you have the matching set to go with this. So let me run down to the shop and we'll get some batteries. Okay, so we're back. I got my drill. Just, you know, clever. You know, matching. Here's the battery. Actually, this drill set came with 2 batteries and a charging unit, so that's pretty cool. These are the 20 volt lithium batteries. Let's see, there's a model on this. I guess that's the model. Sure, you can see that. Okay, well, oh, here you go. It's on the bottom. DCB010. That's the model number. I'm sure we can see that. Ah, there you go. Alright, so I guess from what I can understand is you can hardwire directly, because most job sites that you would probably do. But if you wanted to bring this to the beach or out on the go, then you'd be using the battery. So let's pop her in place. Lower that down. Alright, perfect. Let's just a little bit more. Alright, slide the battery in. I think it's pretty easy. Oh, cool. And we should have power. Nice. Okay, so what I can do is hook up my computer to the speaker because it's got Bluetooth technology in it. Let's go to Bluetooth. See if we can zoom in on that. Let's add a Bluetooth. Sorry if I'm in the way, guys. No, it's perfect. Bluetooth. Add a device. DCR010. Look at that. Sorry if it's a little blurry. These dudes trying to connect to it. Let's give it a few minutes. Oh, your device is ready to go. Look at that. Okay, so let's get it back to that. I'm just gonna play music from the YouTube studio so we don't get copyright claims. So I can make the, there you go, you hit the window tone. So when you control it from the computer, you can make the max volume directly from the volume meter. So let's go straight to the YouTube studio and play some tune skis. Alright, okay, let's just do Slugger. That's pretty loud. You know what? That isn't too bad, actually, I have to admit. I'm actually impressed with that. I'm not exactly sure what the battery runtime for this would be, but at some point I hope to test that out. Alright. So one thing I noticed, that is you can't charge the batteries at the same time as using the unit on battery mode. Because if the mains voltage connector is back here, and when the battery's in place, it's blocks that. So to have this portable, you would need the charging drill set. I'm gonna go with that. They tended just to be more hardwired directly to mains voltage versus portable, but the idea is cool. I like it. Man, this is awesome, and it's rugged. I'll give you that. This can be cool for camping and going to the beach and stuff. I hope the battery lasts long.